Number 1. 1978 Ford F-150, Coldwater, Michigan, $9,800. This 1978 Ford F-150 long bed is powered by a dependable 351 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives very well, making it an enjoyable classic for regular cruising. Aside from minor rust at the bottom of the driver's door and a few cosmetic dents, the body is reported to be solid. While it is not a show truck, it is an honest, well-preserved driver that represents Ford's popular dent side generation. Number 2. 1978 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab short bed, 10 Mile, Tennessee, $5,500. This 1978 Chevrolet Silverado short bed features the desirable 350 cubic inch V8 with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. The truck includes new floor pans and hood hinges, although the inner fender wells still need replacement. With a strong drivetrain and clean history, it offers an affordable project for enthusiasts looking to restore one of Chevrolet's highly collectible square body pickups. Number 3. 1974 Chevrolet 2500 heavy-duty regular cab long bed, Beattyville, Kentucky, $1,250. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and turbo hydromatic 350 transmission, this 1974 Chevrolet C20 runs and moves but requires brake repairs before road use. The seller describes it as a rough work truck rather than a restoration candidate. With a clean title and low asking price, it would make a practical farm truck or utility vehicle. Number 4. 1979 Ford F-250 Custom, Watertown, South Dakota, $4,800. This 1979 Ford F-250 four-wheel drive is equipped with a 400 cubic inch V8, C6 automatic transmission, and full-time four-wheel drive system. It runs and drives well, with working lights, gauges, heater, radio, and wipers. Rust is limited to common areas, making this classic farm truck a solid restoration candidate or dependable weekend driver. Number 5. 1949 Ford F1, Benson, Minnesota, $8,800. This 1949 Ford F1 short bed has been upgraded with a reliable 302 cubic inch V8 while retaining its classic 3-speed column shift transmission. Recent improvements include rebuilt brakes, new battery, fuel tank, shocks, fenders, running boards, and dual exhaust. It starts, drives, and stops well, making it an excellent vintage truck that can be enjoyed immediately or restored further. Number 6. 1968 Ford F-150. Dellenson, New York, $2,800. This 1968 Ford pickup is powered by a 302 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. After sitting for several years, it previously ran and moved and now only lacks ignition spark. New brake lines have already been installed, giving buyers a solid project that should require relatively modest mechanical work to return to the road. Number 7. 1977 Chevrolet C10, Bear, Vermont, $5,000. This 1977 Chevrolet C10 short bed features a built 350 cubic inch V8, dual exhaust, headers, and a clean South Carolina title. It runs and drives well, with working lights and windshield wipers. Although rust is present, the truck remains an appealing square body project with desirable performance upgrades already completed. Number 8. 1955 Chevrolet 3500, Niagara Falls, New York, $6,500. This 1955 Chevrolet 3500 is a running project truck that still requires brake repairs before regular driving. The seller has preserved the truck well, but no longer has the time or budget to complete it. Heavy-duty Chevrolet trucks from this era are becoming increasingly uncommon, making this a worthwhile restoration candidate. Number 9. 1979 Dodge D350 regular cab long bed, Denver, Colorado, $9,000. This rust-free Colorado Dodge D300 dually is powered by a Mopar 360 cubic inch V8 backed by a 4-speed manual transmission. Numerous upgrades include a new Holley carburetor, tires, battery, starter, shocks, and suspension improvements. Comfortable highway performance and a solid flatbed make this an excellent vintage work truck that remains highly capable today. Number 10. 1973 Chevrolet 2500 regular cab and chassis, Norwood, Colorado, $3,000. This 1973 Chevrolet 2500 serves as a dependable daily driver with a clean title and good tires. Its straightforward mechanical condition and 2-owner history make it a practical platform for restoration, commercial use, or conversion into a custom flatbed. Number 11. 1980 GMC Sierra, Twin Falls, Idaho, $6,000. This 1980 GMC Sierra remains an ongoing project, but already benefits from new tires, a replacement transmission, and a new carburetor. The truck drives well while leaving room for additional cosmetic and mechanical improvements, making it an attractive option for someone seeking a usable square body project. Number 12. 1966 Toyota Stout, San Bernardino, California, $5,000. This rare 1966 Toyota Stout has been converted onto a Nissan hardbody four-wheel drive chassis with a 5-speed manual transmission. Sold complete with a clean California title, it combines vintage Japanese styling with improved drivetrain components, creating a unique custom pickup with strong collector appeal. Number 13. 1951 Dodge D350 regular cab and chassis, Fresno, California, $5,500. This one-owner 1951 Dodge D350 flatbed dually runs and drives well while retaining its original work truck character. Clean history and long-term ownership add to its appeal, making it an uncommon surviving example of an early post-war Dodge heavy-duty truck. Number 14. 1973 Ford F350 Super Camper Special XLT Ranger, Billings, Montana, $7,250. This 1973 Ford F350 is powered by a freshly built 429 Cobra Jet V8 paired with a rebuilt C6 automatic transmission. Performance upgrades include a Holley carburetor, aluminum intake, aluminum radiator, electronic ignition, new suspension parts, fuel tank, and tires. Minor rust and a leaking heater core remain, but the truck offers exceptional performance and strong restoration value. Number 15. 1959 Chevrolet Apache, Finland, Minnesota, $9,000. This 1959 Chevrolet Apache has been thoughtfully upgraded while preserving its classic appearance. Powered by the dependable 235 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission, it now features front disc brakes, relocated fuel tank, electric windshield wipers, new wheels and tires, updated seating, and numerous additional improvements. Its attractive patina and tasteful mechanical upgrades make it an outstanding vintage driver with plenty of classic character.